Oh my God, you guys. Florida is about to get hit by that storm that produced a lot of tornadoes yesterday in Texas and Louisiana and a little bit in Mississippi and Alabama. But yeah, Florida is about to get hammered. Right now, what I'm about to do is, hang on, let me get out of the road. What I'm about to do is walk up here to the stop sign and show you guys where that storm is. Oh my God. What is that? What is that? That's the storm right there, you guys. Franklin, stop pulling. Stop pulling. That is the storm right there. It's about to come over me right now. This is the same storm that produced many tornadoes yesterday, and it's gonna be real big right here. Pray for us down here in Florida right now, you guys. Yeah, you guys. Right now I'm trying to get the dog to come on. He's just wanting to stop. I'm just right here trying to walk him back. Yeah, this storm is something not to fuck around with right now. Hopefully we won't lose power right now. Hopefully we don't, cause hang on, let me turn the camera around to show you what's going on towards the north. Because I'm looking over to my west right now, and it's pretty damn close. It is pretty damn close right now. Hopefully there ain't no tornado watches or warnings that I know of here in Florida. Hopefully that wouldn't be the case, because look at that to the west right there. It's over me right now. The storm is over me right now. Hey, look how bad it is up to the north. Look how bad it is up to the north. No, Prancer, come on. Come on, we gotta get home. We gotta get back in the house before it starts raining. Come on. Or you just want to pull me over here, okay. Yeah. Sky's starting to get dark now. I'm keeping an eye on the sky right now. It does not look good. And again, this is the same storm system that produced those tornadoes yesterday. So I'm gonna get back in the house and yeah. I'll see you guys when I'm back in. Boy. Back in the house, guys. I don't know what it is with this front camera on this tablet, but yeah, outside look at it, at the storm. The wind is blowing so hard. Oh my God, it was blowing dirt off. That was rotating, I think. Oh God. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. Oh my God, the storm is going completely nuts right now. You know, I don't know what time it is right now. It is probably, what time is it now? 6:49. So yeah, the storm is over Florida right now. I'm gonna go into the backyard, see if I can get a better vantage point of it. Here, let me go into the backyard real quick. Damn, I forgot to turn the shed light off. Yeah. So there we go. Yeah. I mean, look at that. That wind is blowing so hard right now, you can see the tree. Let's see how hard my grandfather's tree is blowing right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's still standing. I mean, oh my goodness, look at that. That's the wind blowing right now. That's the wind blowing right now, you guys. Oh my God, that was just rotating. That was just rotating. Oh my God. This storm is going off the hook right now. Storm is going off the hook right now. Yeah, my grandfather's tree right there. He planted that a couple years before he died. But yeah, some of that dirt on the road was just rotating. That was probably from when the wind was blowing. But yeah, the storm is here in Florida now. It is here in Florida now. Let me show you guys the radar real quick. My radar is taking forever now, you guys. There we go. Come on, zoom out, damn it. Right now, I'm trying to show you guys what the storm is looking like on radar right now. Tell you one thing, those clouds still over me, but yeah. But the wind is still blowing hard. We are not out of the woods yet on here. Come on. Move out on the show you guys what's going on, but it's not wanting to. Crap, it's starting to rain now. Starting to rain now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the house. It's starting to rain. Yeah, it's raining now. There's no way this radar is gonna. There we go. Oh, that's what's coming through right now. Yeah, it's dark now. So yeah. Yeah, you guys just are looking like right now. So but yeah, it's crazy. If radar will ever hurry up. I'm talking to a screen recorder. Oh yeah, that's not good. Look at that ash. I think we're due for Jack hates me right now. Oh my goodness, dude, it's not wanting to work right now.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, that's what's coming through right now.
It'll go away though, right?
Yeah, but I don't know what time. And they think it's supposed to start raining around 7, so it's close to 7, so. But yeah, that's just crazy right there. Yeah, that's what the radar's showing right now, you guys. Tell you one thing, that wind was kicking up the wrong. It was kicking up the dirt off the road. And Comet, I need you to move. Hey, look, you're back on camera. It's like, why? Why you want to embarrass me on YouTube? No, we're not showing what you do to me on YouTube. No. I am not getting demonetized for that. No sirree, not getting demonetized for you trying to well, I'm not going to say what he does to me, but anyway, I'm just going to walk back out here. Yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit, but yeah, back to the south back there, you can barely see it because the trees. Well, you can barely see it. You can see it a little bit, but you can barely see it. Yeah, but back to the west, that looks like rain. Actually, you know what? That is rain. Anyway, back there is what came over us. But we still got more heading this way. So yeah. That storm was crazy. I mean, hey, look, you can see a little bit better now right back there. You can see a little bit better. It is dark back there. I just saw the raindrop. I think it's about to rain. Oh my goodness, it's about to rain down here in Florida now. Yeah, it's starting to rain again. It's starting to rain again. Hopefully the outcome from the rain will be good. Grab my brother 2 walking sticks off the porch and bring them in. Hey Ash, tell everybody right here what you think about the storm right now.
Windy.
Really, that's all? You gonna add anything else before I end the video?
That's pretty much about it.
No, you want to tell them what you thought about it instead of just saying it was windy?
That's it.
No, tell them how scary the clouds looked when it started rolling through.
Green.
So you could tell when you were looking out there, it was getting dark out there, wasn't it? Yeah. So guys, that's probably gonna be it for the video. As you can tell, it's starting to rain out there. Yeah, look, it's starting to hit the grill. So yeah, wish us luck down here in Florida, you guys. We're getting hit by the storm right now. Alrighty, y'all. I'll see y'all later.